Now get in here. Hey guys, we're gonna do cooking health class. I'm gonna show you a picture of what we're making. A Waffleosaurus. Since our theme is dinosaurs today, we're going to be trying to make this Waffleosaurus, or building it, okay? So, now this one's kind of just fun. There are some things that are good for us in there, and then there's some things that are just fun. And sometimes it's fun just to do that, right? So I put my waffle in the toaster oven, and it came out. So the first thing it says is to take your waffle. Now you can make or buy very healthy waffles that have whole grains in them, or flax seeds or chia seeds, and they can be really good for you. This one is not so much. This one is just the frozen one from Costco, but today is kind of our fun dinosaur day, so we're just doing that. So we just cut them in half and set them on the plate. Okay. Then they have cookies for the face, but I don't have cookies, round cookies, so I found something else that can be round. A cucumber, and cucumbers are actually really good for us, right? They kind of, remember we talked about how they kind of clean us out and they have lots of minerals in them. So we are going to put this as our face. So that's going to be our face. We're going to put that on there. Okay. Then this is the fun thing though. They suggest chocolate chips for the eyes and the nose, and I do have chocolate chips, and I love chocolate chips, and that's fun. So we're going to put chocolate chips for the eyes and one for the nose. Or it kind of looks like the mouth. Well, okay, on both of them we'll put a chocolate chip for that. Then it says that we should make little legs out of cheese. So I got some string cheese, and we talked about cheese, how it hurts some people's tummies, but if it doesn't hurt your tummy, it does have protein in it and calcium in it. And so we're gonna put some cheese here as the legs, little cheese legs, okay? And then they used pineapple in theirs for the armor part, the spikes that they have, but I cut up apples and I tried to cut them into little triangles. So we have some apple armor here, and apples are armor for our body. They protect us from disease. Apples are full of fiber, and remember we talked about fiber cleans us out. It kind of goes in and scrubs in our intestines and cleans them out so we can go potty and get rid of all those toxins. So apples are really good. There used to be a saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, meaning if you eat one every day, you'll be so healthy you won't have to go to the doctor. You won't be sick. Only for your checkups. Okay, so we have our apples here all the way around, and then they used you can use something for the dirt that they're sitting in. I'm going to use some peanuts, and that I'm just going to put that down under their legs, so it looks like they're stepping in dirt. You could use granola or other kinds of cereal or something else that kind of looks like dirt. Okay, so mine didn't come out exactly like the one in the picture, but I think they're kind of cute and they look really yummy. There's lots of good things to eat on there. The peanuts are good. I forgot to tell you, the peanuts are good. They actually help your kidneys, and kidneys are what also cleans you out. So these dinosaurs are going to give you some calcium, some protein, help your kidneys, help your intestines. They're gonna do all those things, and then the actual waffle will give you some energy for today. So while you're working, building your dinosaur bones and reading about dinosaurs and writing about dinosaurs and just having fun with dinosaurs today, you can also eat the dinosaurs. Okay, all right, have fun.